Today we're at my house and me and Micah are going to be showing you how to make mac and cheese.
Dang, that was good.
So let's get into it. So starting off with our 3 different cheeses we use. The first one is sharp cheddar, second one's white cheddar, and the third one
is Gruyere.
And now we're going to move on to our pasta, but make sure you guys get elbow macaroni pasta.
Oh no!
You're dropping the pasta! So now that we put our water in, you want to make sure you turn it on to high, and then add a little bit of salt. And then stir it so it can dissolve. Now that our water is boiling, we're going to put in our pasta for 8 minutes. While my noodles are boiling, I'm going to add butter in.
Oh, you don't want no bland mac and cheese. So let me show you all the seasonings that you're gonna need. Well, first you got your salt, absolutely vital. Next you got your nutmeg, and then you get your black pepper, your garlic powder, your dried mustard, and just for a little kick, you got your chili powder. With all the seasonings, you're gonna add it to the butter. And as you can hear, that butter is sizzling. And just, do it like that, do a little shake. And then you just do a little mixing.
Now we're gonna move on to making the cheeses. So first I added butter, and now I'm gonna call Mikhail in here to help me put in the flour and other ingredients.
I'm Mikhail.
So Mikhail's gonna add in the flour and I'm gonna mix it until it gets golden brown. Slowly.
Why didn't you tell me that?
Once the butter melts, we're gonna add the milk in slowly, little at a time. Now we're gonna add our first plate of cheese. Put a little at a time.
Okay.
This only calls for 1 cup. Oh. So after we added our first cheese, now we're gonna add half a cup of half and half milk. Now that we added our white cheese, it's gonna have a liquid consistency, and we're gonna add our sharp cheddar in right now. This calls for 2 cups. Do you wanna do it, Mikhail?
No.
Okay.
And now we're gonna add in my personal favorite of the cheeses, the Gruyere cheese. Sorry to the French folks.
This only calls for a cup and a half of cheese.
Not sure, it don't look like a cup and a half.
I'm not done. So now that all of our cheeses are combined together, maybe like we're gonna add our butter. And Mikhail, he is over there eating the special cheese. Now that our cheese is finished, we're gonna pour it onto the pasta. So now we're just gonna drizzle it on top. Yeah, I think that's it. Now we're gonna add it. And put it in the oven for 20 minutes, just so the top is lightly brown, golden.
20 minutes later.
Listen to the sound.
I can put it aside.
It's water right now. Oh man. Oh, thank you. Okay.
Boom.
Boom.
What do you think?
This is not bad at all.
Good job, Mikhail.